Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I come with very special lecture. Today I am going to talk about why did Lord Krishna take a birth on this material world and how Lord Krishna's birth is transcendental. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is written by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Mahaprabhu from ISKCON temple. And I would have to say Srimad Bhagavad Gita is neither religious book nor spiritual book, but in true sense pure book with a science and humanity. And I am trying to propagate a humanity on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and trying to morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempted to commit suicide on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So let's start chapter number 4, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. How Lord Krishna's birth is transcendental. How Lord Krishna's karma is also transcendental. So Lord Krishna here mentioned, and this chapter is based on transcendental knowledge. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Iyam Vivasyate Yoga Proktam Aham Avyam Vivasanam Manave Praha Manura Ikshvaku Brahita. Manura Ikshvaku Brahita. This kind of transcendental knowledge I have given. The Supreme Personality of Godhead here stated, Lord Krishna here said, I instructed this imperishable science of yoga to sun god. सबसे पहले किसको मतलब भगवान ने कहा है, मतलब जो कर्म योग है भगवान ने किसको कहा है, कर्म योग के बारे में, about the material things, how to live your life, means how to get a transmigration. The first person is means the first god is sun. First this imperishable science of yoga to sun god, then Vivasan. Then Vivasan instructed to Manu, the mankind, the god of mankind, the father of mankind. And the Manu instructed to the Ikshvaku. Manu turned it to Ikshvaku. Manu instructed to Ikshvaku. इवं परंपरा प्रति राज यशो विदुह स काले नेह महता योगो नष्ट परंतप. Yoga nashta parantapa. This science of yoga is firstly stated by me to sun god. This supreme science was thus received through the chain of the discipline succession. Means Guru Sishya Parampara is required. I have preached this science of yoga to sun god, then sun to Vivasan, then Vivasan to Manu, then Manu to Ikshvaku. And discipline succession. This is the importance of the Guru Sishya Parampara, disciplines or discipline. And the saintly kings understood it in that way. But in the course of the time, the succession was broken. Therefore, the science as it appears to be lost. This kind of the discipline, this kind of the chain has been broken. Because of these things, this knowledge has been disappeared. This knowledge has been lost. स इवाय महातेढ़ योग प्रोक्त पुरातन भक्तोसी में सखा चेती रहस्य ह इतद उत्तम. Here Lord Krishna further stated to Arjuna that very ancient science of the relationship with the Supreme Lord or the Supreme is today told by me to you, because you are my very devotee, you are my dear devotee, you are my devotee as well as my friend. Lord Krishna would always instructed this particular science, the science of supreme yoga, to only his devotee as well as his friend. Without being a devotee of Lord Krishna, we are not able to understand this particular science of yoga, which actually stated by Lord Krishna. Without being in devotional practices of Lord Krishna, we are not able to understand. This is the transcendental things. Without the supreme mercy and without supreme grace of Lord Krishna, we are not able to understand anything from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So without his mercy, without his grace, we can't understand. With his grace and with our devotion and love, the nectar of devotion, the nectar of love, we can only understand this supreme science of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So we just have to understand these things, and therefore understand the transcendental mystery of this science. Therefore, because of these things, you can only understand the transcendental mystery of Srimad Bhagavad Gita of whatever I am preaching to you, whatever I have preached to you can only understand if you are my dear friend or you are in my devotion. Arjuna uvacha, Arjuna has inquired, अपन भवतो जन्म पर जन्म विवस्तः कथमेत द्विजिनाय तत्मादो प्रोक्त वाणित. ये लॉर्ड कृष्ण, ये अर्जुन आस्ट, आपका जन्म तो मतलब अभी हुआ है, माता देवकी के गर्भ से आपने जन्म लिया है, तो हाउ यू आर imperishable as well as ancient as well as omnipotent and omnipresent. Lord Krishna here says, Arjuna, you are only seeing the physical body, material body, but I am talking about the soul. ऐसा कोई भी समय नहीं था जहां पे तुम्हारी आत्मा का एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं था, जहां पे मेरी आत्मा का एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं था. Arjuna here said, the sun god Vivasana is senior by birth to you. The sun god and Vivasana is senior by birth to you. And how I am understand that in the beginning you instructed this science to him. How I understand? You have instructed this science to them. How I understand? I am not able to understand because both are senior from you. Sri Bhagavan Uvach बहुनी में व्यतीतानि जन्मानि तव अर्जुना तान्य वेद सर्वाणि न त्व वेद्य परंतप. ये लॉर्ड कृष्णा स्टेटेड, ये श्री भगवान उवाच, लॉर्ड कृष्णा here talked about the transcendental birth of his transcendental birth. How my birth is transcendental, here Lord Krishna revealed to Arjuna. Here Lord Krishna, the supreme personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna here stated to Arjuna, many births both you and I have passed. Many births, thousands and millions of births both you and I have passed. I can remember all of them. I can remember because I am the supreme personality of Godhead. I can remember my all the births, but you can't because I am the supreme personality of Godhead. I am the supreme Lord. Because of these things, I can remember my all birth, but you can't. Oh, subduer of the enemy, you can't. You are not able to understand how many births you have passed, but I have understood how many births I have passed, and I remembered my all the births. Lord Krishna further stated, अजो अपि संय व्यत आत्मा न भूतान आत्मी सर्वपि सनः प्रकृति समाधिष्ठाय संभवाय आत्मान मायाय. संभवाय आत्मान मायाय, संभयायन आत्मान माया. Here Lord Krishna further stated, although I am unborn, Lord Krishna here stated, although however I am unborn and my transcendental body never deteriorates. My transcendental body, my potency, the potency of my soul has never been deteriorated. And although I am the Lord of all the living entities, although I am the Lord of each and every living entity, I still appear in the every million in my original transcendental form. I still appear. This is the mystery behind the birth of Lord Krishna, behind the appearance of the Lord Krishna. Is the supreme personality of Godhead. Lord Krishna clearly stated, although I am unborn and my transcendental body never deteriorates, my transcendental body will never deteriorate. And although I am the Lord of all the living entities, I am the Lord of all the living entities, and I still appear in the every millennium in my original transcendental form. My original transcendental, each and every millennium, I will appear in my original transcendental form. Lord Krishna further stated, this is the most famous verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirbhavati bharata abhyuktanam dharmasya tadatmanav sujamyah परित्राणाय साधुना विनाशाय च दुष्कृतता धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे संभवामि युगे युगे. जब जब धर्म को हानि होती है, जब जब अधर्म में वृद्धि होती है, तब तब दुष्ट व्यक्तियों के संहार के लिए और जो अच्छे लोग हैं, जो साधु लोग हैं, उनको उनकी रक्षा के लिए मैं जन्म लेता हूँ और एक प्रत्येक युग में होता आया है और आगे भी ऐसा ही होगा। पर whenever and whenever there is a decline in the religious practices or descendant of Bharata, the predominant rise of the irreligious practices, at that time I dissent myself, predominant rise of religion practices, at that time I dissent myself, my original form I will dissent. परित्राणाय साधूना विनाशाय च दुष्कृतता धर्म संस्थापना अर्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे। यह लॉर्ड कृष्णा स्टेटेड संभवामि युगे युगे, each and every time to deliver the pious and annihilate the miscreants, दूसरे व्यक्तियों के संहार के लिए, as well as to re-establish the principle of dharma, the re-establishment of the principle of dharma or religion, I myself appear millennium after millennium. I myself appear millennium after millennium. Here Lord Krishna stated, such a miscreants and duskritam are described as the foolish and lowest of the mankind, even though they may be decorated with a mundane education. And whereas a person who is 100% engaged in Krishna consciousness is accepted as a sadhu, even though such a person may be neither learned nor as well as cultured. Lord Krishna further stated, Lord Krishna here revealed, disclosed the mystery behind his birth, how Lord Krishna's birth is transcendental. Lord Krishna here stated, जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम यो वेति तत्वन त्यक्ता देहि पुनः जन्म नेति मामेन सो अर्जुना। ये लॉर्ड कृष्णा स्टेटेड, जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम, जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यमेव यो वेति तत्वम त्यक्ता देहि पुनर्जन्म तक्ता देहि पुनर्जन्म नेति मामेन सो अर्जुना, नेति मामेन सो अर्जुना। ये लॉर्ड कृष्णा स्टेटेड about the transcendental form of his appearance and disappearance from his original form, of Lord Krishna's transcendental original form. Lord Krishna here said, janma karma cha me divyameva yo veti tattvata त्यक्ता देहि पुनर्जन्म नेति मामेन सो अर्जुना, नेति मामेन सो अर्जुना। यह लॉर्ड कृष्णा स्टेटेड, one who knows the transcendental nature of my appearance and the activities doesn't upon the leaving the body take his birth again in this material world but attain my eternal abode. Lord Krishna here stated, the person who understands the mystery, the transcendental my transcendental birth as well as my transcendental karma, that person will surely attain my supreme abode. Here stated by Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna further stated, Lord Krishna here stated, the one supreme personality Godhead is eternally engaged in the many transcendental form in the relationship is unalloyed devotee. Lord Krishna is directly connected with me, but I have to understand, I have to identify, I have to recognize my relation with Lord Krishna. Without understanding the relation between my soul and the super soul, I am not able to achieve the supreme abode of Lord Krishna. I am not able to attain, I am not able to involve in the transcendental devotional practices of Lord Krishna. He who accepts this truth on the strength of the authority of the Vedas, of the Supreme Personality Godhead, and who doesn't waste the time in philosophical speculation, attain the highest perfect stage of the liberation. To attain the Supreme Personality Godhead, to attain the supreme abode of Lord Krishna, we will surely attain the highest stage of the liberation. And you are the same Supreme Brahmana, the Supreme Personality Godhead is certainly liberated unsaintly, and consequently his entrance into the transcendental association of the Lord is guaranteed. With raga bhaya krodha man maya mamo prasitah braho gran tapasa puta bhavam agatah. Here Lord Krishna stated, being freed from all the attachment, being freed from all the attachment, fear and anger, being freed from all kind of attachment, fear and anger. Actually, I am trying to make myself free from anger and fear. I am having a fear of regarding my death, but I am trying to overcome from the situation. I am trying to overcome from anger as well, and being fully absorbed in me and taking a refuge in me. Lord Krishna here stated, once you have taken a refuge in me, you will surely attain. You don't have to do anything in your life. You don't have any karma to perform. Once you have taken a refuge in me, taking a refuge in me, Lord Krishna here stated, मतलब मुझे surrender कर दो. You have to totally surrender unto me. And many person in the past being purified by knowledge of me, and thus they all attain the transcendental love for me. Once you surrender unto me, I will make you free from your all kind of sinful activities. This is why Lord Krishna stated in verse number 66, chapter number 18, Lord Krishna here stated, सर्व धर्मान परित्यजन्ते मामे एकम शरणम वज्रः अहम तम सर्व पापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुलः. Lord Krishna here stated, abandon your all religious practices and just surrender unto me. I shall deliver you salvation and make you free from your all kind of sinful activities. So you don't have to fear path. You just have to surrender unto me. Once you surrender unto me, you will surely attain the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You will surely attain to me. It's my guarantee. Lord Krishna here gave a guarantee before more than 5,200 years ago. Lord Krishna here gave a guarantee how to make yourself free from the material life and get a salvation. Lord Krishna here stated, forget everything, abandon your all religious practices and just surrender unto me. I said, deliver you salvation. Lord Krishna here stated, I am guaranteeing you, I am giving you guarantee. I shall deliver you salvation and make you free from your all kind of sinful activities, so you don't have to fear path. Just surrender unto me. एक बार मुझे समर्पण करके तो देखो, मुझे प्यार करके तो देखो, मुझे मेरी भक्ति करके तो देखो. You will surely attain the highest destination. You will surely attain the supreme perfection. So you just have to surrender unto me. This is stated by Lord Krishna. And ये यथा महाप्रबंधन्ते तास्ततेव भज्यामयः मम वर्तमान तु वर्तन्ते मनुष्य पार्थ सर्वस्वः. ये Lord Krishna stated, all surrender unto me, I reward them accordingly. Everyone follow my paths in all aspects, O son of Prutha. Everyone follow my path. मतलब whether knowingly or unknowingly, everyone follow my path. Whether knowingly or unknowingly, everyone follow my path. But the person who is actually not understand my transcendental form will surely move around in this material world. His soul will surely take a birth again and again and die again and again. So in order to make ourselves free from the cycle of the birth and death, we just have to surrender unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna. Means जीवन में जितने भी पाप किए हैं ना, लॉर्ड कृष्णा को एक बार सरेंडर कर दो, समर्पित कर दो ना लॉर्ड कृष्णा को. Once you surrender unto Lord Krishna, He will surely make yourself free from all kind of sinful activities. सभी पापों से मुक्त कर देंगे आपको. तो एक बार लॉर्ड कृष्णा को सरेंडर करके तो देखिए. लॉर्ड कृष्णा फर्दर सेड, कंकाशतः कर्माण सिद्धि यजन्ति इह देवतः श्रीपहि मानुषे लोको सिद्धि भवति कर्मजा. Your Lord Krishna stated, men in this world desire success in the fruitive activities, and therefore they worship the demigods. That's why they worship the demigods, and demigods will surely give a quickly result to that particular devotee. And quickly, of course, man get a result from the fruit of the work in this material world. If we surrender unto the demigods, then we will surely reach to the demigods planet. And if we surrender unto Devi Devta, then we will surely get a quick result. But if we surrender unto Lord Krishna, then Lord Krishna will definitely Lord Krishna will definitely make you pass from all kind of struggle. Lord Krishna will definitely make you strong. and you will get eligibility to be devotee of Lord Krishna. Without getting eligibility, Lord Krishna will never accept to you. But you just have to surrender to Lord Krishna, because initially we have to surrender to Lord Krishna. We have to love to Lord Krishna, and man gets a result from the fruity work in this world. चातुर्वर्णीय मया सृष्ट गुण कर्म विभागस, चातुर्वर्णीय मया सृष्ट गुण कर्म विभागस, चातुर्वर्णीय मया सृष्ट गुण कर्म विभागस्य तस्य कर्ता कर्ता अपि मा विद्या कर्ता अव्यम, विद्या कर्ता अव्यम. चातुर्वर्ण मया सृष्ट, चातुर्वर्ण मया सृष्ट गुण कर्म विभागस्य तस्य कर्ता अपि मा vidya karta avyam. Here Lord Krishna said, according to the three modes of the material nature, like rajas, tamas and sattva guna, the work associated with them, the four divisions of the human society are being created by me. And although I am the creator of this system, you should know that I am at the non-dual being unchangeable. I am non-dual and being unchangeable in this system. Chaturvarna maya srushta guna karma vibhagasa. Chaturvarna, listen it very carefully. The people who are actually making a discrimination on the basis of the caste, on the basis of the religion, on the basis of the gender, on the basis of the level of the person who don't know English, on the level of the English. The people who are actually making a discrimination, the people, there's only this kind of people have to understand. Chaturvarna maya srushta गुण कर्म विभागस्य, चातुर्वर्ण मया सृष्ट गुण कर्म विभागस्य तस्य कर्ता अम्बि मा विद्या कर्ता अव्यम, मा विद्या कर्ता अव्यम. Here Lord Krishna stated, according to the three mode of the material nature, I have divided the people in the threefold of the society. Three division of the human society are created only by me. I have created. Although I have created, I am the creator of this entire system. You should know that I am yet not dual and being unchangeable. I am non-dual as well as unchangeable. So you just have to understand, and once we started to understand the supreme, the transcendental appearance and disappearance of Lord Krishna, we will surely reach to the planet of the supreme person of Godhead, Lord Krishna. So this is all about transcendental nature, transcendental karma and transcendental potency of Lord Krishna. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. I would wish to all of you happy Janmashtami. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.